Sometimes our sleep quality can be compromised if the kapha element is too much, where we feel sluggish, where we feel low, heavy or down. Simple yet brilliant solution for this is called the Prana Mudra. The Prana Mudra can be done by bending the little finger and the ring finger and touching the tip of the thumb. The index and the middle finger are together, outstretched. This makes the prana go up. This is excellent for the eyes, it is excellent for the brain, also for increasing the level of energy. You can do this at the beginning of the day for increasing your energy levels, or even at night so that your sleep is not sluggish or tiresome, but it has a very deep, restful quality to it. That's Prana Mudra for you.
For those of you who would rather listen to a book than read it, Sleep Your Way to Success is available in its audiobook avatar, exquisitely narrated by Dinesh. It's available exclusively from our website www.booksbybnd.com. And if you really want to take that game of well-being up a few notches, you want to harness the awesome power of sleep to make you feel younger, to make you smarter, to make your immune system stronger so you don't fall sick so often, to improve your mood, well then, check out our Power of Sleep workshop. Again, on our website www.booksbybnd.com. I will see you on the inside. Good night, sweet dreams, and may you have resounding success.